All right, so it's restaurant review time, and today we are going to taste test a restaurant by the name of Kathmandu. Now, Kathmandu is a Nepalese Indian cuisine restaurant, and I happen to love Indian food. I've never eaten at Kathmandu, so I'm very excited to go taste a new, basically taste the food from a new restaurant. So, Kathmandu has great reviews on Google, so should be good. And once we get there, we're going to go with our typical routine where we're going to ask the waiter or waitress what they recommend we try at their restaurant. So without further ado, let's head on over to Kathmandu.
It's the Rock in the building. Khalid, what's up, Ramel? What's up, boy? Real in the house. Yes. Live from United States, Brooklyn, New York, it's your boy.
What's your recommended, what's your best dish?
Most popular is chicken tikka masala, butter chicken korma.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do the korma and the masala, please. Awesome, thank you. And then do you recommend any appetizers?
You can go chicken tikka.
Okay, let's do that. Great, thank you. Yeah, a keema naan and a garlic naan, please. I'm sorry? Oh, extra. Yeah, extra. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Just water's great for me. Yeah, thank you.
ROC and we don't stop. Punjabi MC and we don't stop. It's your boy Jay-Z and we don't stop. Nigga ROC and we won't stop. Yes, Ma, I ain't gotta tell you, but it's your boy Ho from the US. You just lay down slow. Catch your boy mingling, England, meddling in the Netherlands, checking in daily under aliases. We rebellious, we back home, screaming leave Iraq alone. But all my soldiers in the field, I will wish you safe return. But only love kills war, when will they learn?
All right, so we are back from Kathmandu, and I am definitely stuffed. I've definitely had my fair share of good food tonight. Now, as you can see, our normal protocol on Restaurant Review is we ask the waiter or waitress what they recommend, and in this particular case, the waitress recommended tikka masala and chicken coconut korma, as well as this appetizer that reminded me of chicken tandoori with a bunch of vegetables, and it was absolutely delicious. So, I have to say, I will definitely be back at Kathmandu. Really good naan, really good korma, really good masala, really good appetizer. Of course, I haven't tried the rest of the menu, but based off of what we did try on this restaurant review, we will definitely be back to Kathmandu.